How to find Instagram Reels template quickly. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing about free templates that you can easily access for the Instagram. So, for the very first one, you should open your Instagram account and log in into it. Once you open the home page, click on the Reel section, which is right next to the plus icon. Scroll down and you will see a variety of Reel templates that you can easily use. These are free to use as well. You can use the audio or the template itself. Now, there's another way by which you can get the template as well. For that, click on the plus icon which is on the bottom. After that, go to the reel section. After that, go to the templates and then choose from recommended for you and the trending sections. You can even see all of your saved templates to use it for the reel. Likewise, there's another way to get free template for Instagram as well. For this, you have to download CapCut. Once you tap on CapCut, go to the template section which is on the bottom. Once you tap on it, on the search bar type in Instagram templates. And there you go, you have a variety of options now. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.